Have you wanted to support indie filmmakers in Sacramento? Do you enjoy queer art, disco, and most importantly, birds? Well, have I got a film for you, Bird of a Lonely Paradise. Unsatisfied with work and his social life, a depressed bachelor tries out a new attempt to be popular, dancing like a bird. It's silly, it's heartwarming, it's gay, and it needs your financial support. Our fundraising goal is $4,000. That's to secure locations, permits for said locations, liability insurances, and a host of other things, most importantly, feeding our crew something other than pizza. So donate today at the link below. Help support me, an indie filmmaker, make this dream a reality. Thank you.